Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Today's video is a tutorial on how to do this really kind of natural, fresh looking makeup. Nearly all the products I use are natural, organic, which is the way I like it. I hope you enjoy my video. It's my first makeup tutorial, so I'm a little bit rusty, but stay tuned and enjoy the video. Just put a little bit on your finger, like that, and you just put it all on your lips. There should be like a bit of excess on there, so your lips will soak it in. Second step, I like to put on a bit of moisturizer, so I use this one by Antipodes, which is just a hydrating day cream. So just put a little bit on, massage it with my fingers. And I have really dry skin, so I always like to put a little bit of oil on. Just use a couple of drops of Trilogy Rosehip oil, probably like 4 drops, and just like rub it into my hands. And then I'm just gonna like sort of rub it into my face and then pat it into the skin. So now that the skin is all fresh and moisturized, I'm going to put on my base. So I don't use like a proper foundation. I use the RMS Beauty Uncover Up. Looks like this. In 1-1, I have the skin to skin foundation brush. Just kind of dab it in there. And just kind of work it into the skin. But you don't want it heavy. And then I'll just put use a little bit on my finger to like cover pimples. Next, we're going to put a little bit of colour into the skin. I just want it to be really kind of natural. So I use again it's RMS. It's called Curious in the Lip Shake. It's kind of like a bright orangey colour, but it blends out really well. It just kind of looks like a fresh, young glow. So I just use my finger for this. Just kind of swirl it around, make a bit of colour. And just kind of blend it in. Next I want to put in a bit of a highlight, but I want it to be more natural than what most people do. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glow in with this Lush Cosmetics. It's a skin tint called Feeling Younger. So I just use my ring finger again, get a little bit on it. It's so pearly. And then you just want to put it at the top of your cheekbones and pat it in. Just get a bit more and put it top of the little tiny bit down the nose. Next, we need to take control of the brows. My brows get particularly crazy caterpillar style. So this is a eyebrow brush that I got from, I think it's $1 Billion Brows, but it's pretty old, so all the stuff's rubbed off. So I'm just going to brush them up. Everybody's eyebrows are different, so I brush mine up and then just brush them down the end, but depending on how yours grow, you can brush it however you're used to doing it. Just brush it up. It's a bit crazy. And then down, just to neaten up on the edge. I'm just going to put a little tiny bit in, but try not to go too over the top, which I do often. So this is just a random one I got from H&M. It's tiny. Just clear mascara, brow gel. You just brush it through the brows and groom them into the shape that you want. I just want it kind of really natural with nice lashes. So I'm going to put on some mascara. This is Too Faced Better Than Sex. And then just brush it through the lashes, try and get from the root, I suppose. But you want to be careful that they're not getting all stuck together, because it's not a good look. The last step is the lips. So I'm going to use this ILIA lip conditioner in Arabian Nights. And there you go. Nice and natural. With a bit of pink lips. There's not too much on the eye. It's kind of like a no makeup, or not much makeup look. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my first makeup tutorial. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I don't know where that is on the screen right now, but hit it. And give me a thumbs up if you liked this video and if you'd like more ones like this. Thank you.